Hey guys, how's it going? This is Mike from M&R Automotive. Today we're in a Hummer EV and we've installed a massive 60-inch light bar on the roof of it. I want to show you exactly how much light it puts out. So these are the factory low beams. These are the factory high beams. And there is a light bar. It's a curved Pro Series light bar and it's capable of throwing light very far and definitely a lot of it. The Pro Series has larger projectors and is capable of throwing light a lot further than the Slim Series. And because it has 60 inches of light, it definitely puts out a lot of watts. So let's go ahead and turn it off and turn it back on. Wow, this thing is absolutely amazing and I know you guys are going to love it. Thank you guys for watching.